This is how it looks. It's I don't know what time it is. It's 6:34 a.m. in the morning. We passed Newcomb, and I'm not sure where we are, but we're between Newcomb and Gallup, more towards Newcomb, and we're supposed to be there by 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is when they start the Navajo Nation Science Fair at Red Rock State Park near Gallup. And I have the feeling we're not going to make it because we're going about 19 miles per hour, and we have 59 miles to go, and I have the feeling we're not going to make it on time. Between 7 to 9 we're supposed to register. Anyway, this is what's going on, and I hope everything works out. Okay, I'm gonna get off now. Okay, bye.